How to make YouTube TV the default app on Samsung TV. Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to set YouTube TV as the default app on your Samsung Smart TV, so it launches automatically when you turn on your TV. Step 1. Turn on your Samsung TV. Press the power button on your remote to turn on your TV. Step 2. Access the settings menu. Press the home button on your remote. Navigate to Settings, gear icon, on the screen. Step 3. Go to General Settings. Scroll down and select General. Then select Startup Settings or Smart Features, depending on your TV model. Step 4. Set YouTube TV as the default app. Look for Auto Launch or Home App Settings. Choose YouTube TV from the list of available apps. Confirm your selection. Step 5. Test the setup. Turn off your TV and turn it back on. Your Samsung TV should now open YouTube TV automatically. Note: this feature might not be available on all Samsung TV models. If your TV doesn't support setting a default app, consider adding YouTube TV to your favorites or quick access for faster launching. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more Samsung TV and streaming tips.